Hello everyone. Got a new tackle for Black Friday. Kistler had some sale. Even the PVC pipes is made in USA on their new magnesium too. So I got me a medium light since I got so much medium heavy and medium rods. Went ahead and added one more medium light for my drop shot setup. You want to be in the unboxing video too, kitty cat? Have to change the position of the rod otherwise. Let me show you this. It's 7 foot, so fairly a long rod. Hey kitty. I gotta unwrap this, guys. Alright, we are back. I left this part for everybody else to see the chair being open, but correct me if I'm wrong, this Kistler Magnesium 2 was supposed to come with American Tackle's Micro Magic guides, and this one apparently has the Fuji case on there. Not that I'm complaining. It seems like I got a better bargain than I thought I was in. But and plus this medium light on their website, I said that it was supposed to be a 6 to 12 pound. Now that I'm holding it in my hand, and it's a beautiful rod, and I'm not complaining or anything, but it's a 6 to 10 pound. That's a complete surprise. Oh, awesome. Let's see the finish on this bad boy. Just like the rest of this Kistlers, I have a few more. This kind of looks like, doesn't look like the old magnesium. Looks more like the helium. Awesome looking rod. That part's got a little bit of clear coat on there. The rest is just super sensitive to the touch. Love this EVA foregrip, whatever it is. You know what? Now that I'm holding it in my hand, you know, they were making a big deal out of it, but it's really nice. It's warm to the touch, that's for sure. I guess it's great for winter fishing, so that's good for me. I'm sure it's gonna be an awesome drop shot rod. That's what it looks like. Love that neon green right there. I'm trying to get it. There you go. That's a better zoom right there. Awesome. Awesome looking rod. I'm gonna set this down and try to get a better view like that. That lighting is bad, but there you go, it's much better. That's one guide, 2 guides, 3, 4, these are like micro guides, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the tip. If you want to count that, that's 9. Usually everybody advertises so many guides plus the tip. So awesome Black Friday sale, 25% saved on this, plus I had already purchased some more stuff, so my points saved me another $10 plus free shipping. You know, adds up. And in case you didn't get to see, again, Kistler, that's the model right there. Love that, made in USA. Supporting our beautiful country, because that's where we fish and catch them. And right there, North Fork composite blank technology. Awesome, awesome. Nothing special on the reel seat, but it's a Fuji, so there you go. Yeah, that hook keeper. Keegan hook keeper. Awesome. Thank you, Kistler.